Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to improve your trading skills, this tutorial has got you covered. So, let's get started and take the first step towards becoming a successful Forex trader. To start, open your preferred web browser. In this case, I'll be using Google Chrome. We'll be using Guide&Tips as a resource to learn more about Forex trading, so let's get started by exploring their website. Next, let's navigate to the news section of the website. Simply click on the news button to view the latest Forex news. Next, navigate to the market news section and scroll down to browse the latest updates. For more details on a specific news article, simply click on Read More. Moving on, scroll up. Click on the Trading tab in the top navigation menu to access a comprehensive resource packed with articles, tutorials, and guides on trade ideas, technical analysis, trading psychology, systems, and cryptocurrency trading. Now, let's dive deeper into trading insights, where you'll discover expert analysis and market commentary to inform your trading decisions. Scroll back up and click on Learn Forex to explore Forex trading basics and advanced strategies. Now that you're in the Learn Forex section, locate the How to Trade Forex course. To get started, simply click on Start Course. After completing the course, scroll up to the Trading Quizzes section to put your knowledge to the test and solidify your learning. Explore the Forex Glossary section to learn new terminology and expand your knowledge of Forex-specific lingo. Click Learn Crypto to explore basics and strategies. Next, start the School of Crypto course. Finally, test your knowledge with Crypto Quizzes Test Yourself. Boost your crypto expertise. Click Crypto Glossary to master the lingo and explore crypto guides. Now scroll up to click on Forum. The forum categories offer a dynamic platform for traders, enthusiasts, and experts to explore, engage, and share knowledge. Browse through various categories to participate in discussions, ask questions, share experiences, and stay updated on market trends. This platform provides a wealth of opportunities for individuals to grow, learn, and succeed. Now, scroll back up and navigate to the Calendar section. Optimize your trading strategy with our comprehensive calendar, featuring key market events, trading schedules, webinars, and economic indicators. Stay informed, prioritize tasks, and achieve your goals with confidence. By utilizing our calendar, you'll be able to plan your trades around major market events, stay up to date with market hours and holidays, and also set reminders to be on track. Scroll up now to access our range of innovative tools. The Currency Correlator analyzes currency pair relationships, while Forex Market Hours and the Risk on Off Meter provide valuable market data. Additionally, our Trading Calculators and Market Analysis section offer expert insights and analysis. Traders can make informed decisions, stay ahead of the curve, and achieve their trading goals. So now access Marketing Milk. Currency Strength Meter is the tool for analyzing currency performance. The Top Gainers section provides a real-time snapshot of the top-performing currencies, helping traders and investors identify market movers and potential trading opportunities. Top Losers, a real-time snapshot of the worst-performing assets, currencies, or stocks. A currency volatility meter measures the volatility of currency pairs, helping traders identify potential risks and opportunities. You can toggle the button to view the percentage or pips changes of currencies. The same toggle feature applies to the least volatile currencies, allowing you to view their percentage or pips changes. Lastly, don't forget to sign in or join Guide&Tips to unlock exclusive features and enhance your trading experience.